All right, we're going to continue our work today with phonics. All right, you will need your My Word Study book. And today it's a focus on automaticity. Remember, we'll practice reading this word list so we can become better readers and better writers or spellers. Okay? So we're working on page 23 today. If you find the list, the title is Building Automaticity. All right, and our first step in our work is to identify vowel teams on this word list. All right, now you've learned in past grades that when vowels team up in groups of two, they make different sounds than they would if they were by themselves. Right, so if you look through this word list, you see a lot of vowels grouped together. Right, and when two vowels are grouped together, they make one sound together. Right, so I'm noticing that, about 4 or 6 words down in that first column, the word is freeze. And those two E's together are making that long E sound. So I'm going to go ahead and circle those two E's. And then right next to it, the word throat. Do you see how the O and the A are together? What sound do you hear in that word throat? Okay, it makes kind of that long O sound when the O and the A is grouped together. So go ahead and circle that. And then we could even keep going down the list. The word repeat. Okay, do you see the E and the A are together? They're making that long E sound. So go ahead and circle those. All right, so I started you off with 3. Take a second and see if you can identify and circle 3 more. All right, and then we're going to work through practice pronouncing each one of the words on the list. Okay. You'll practice pronouncing them, then you'll practice reading the words, and then when you're ready, have someone time you just for 1 minute. Okay, and see how many words that you can read within 1 minute. Okay, you'll notice at the bottom of your page, there's 3 separate places to write how many words you wrote. So if you're up for a challenge, do it more than once. Okay, there is a timer on your Chromebook, so if you want to time yourself and compete against yourself a little bit, or if you have a family member that's home that could time you, that would be a great way to work with them as well. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and read the words below that gray line. If you want to stay and read those with me, please do. And if you are fairly confident on these words, go ahead, stop the video and start reading through the words on your own. All right, so I'm going to start with frightened, and then I'm going to read the words down. And then I'm going to go to the next column and read down, the next column and read down. All right, follow along, right along with me. You can say the words aloud with me, or you can just listen to me read them. Frighten, approaching, eyesight, supplied, yesterday, entertain, volunteering, disbelief, mistreated, brightly, explained, interview, raincoat, throughout, succeed, frightening, unexplained, replied, shampoo, poisonous, replied, rejoiced, countdown, brightly, volunteer, approaching, interview, rejoicing, unknown, neighborhood. Shampoo, unknown, thoughtful, enjoyment, disbelief, eyesight, raincoat, countdown, thoughtless, unloaded. Poison, neighborhood, unload, butterflies, mistreated, supplied, throughout, enjoyment, yesterday, entertainment. All right, read through that whole list one more time and then try to time yourself. Good luck today.